Hello friends, this is Shondipon here again. Well, this video is going to be a bit big, so if you want, you can increase the speed of this video, because in this video I will try to make some of these points where I feel that the that my opinion are correct. Now that is all my perspective that I have actually using. So just please make this because the video is going to be bigger, so please uh, increase the speed of the video. Now listen this very carefully, okay, and watch the video till the end, because sometimes what happens is that I speak everything impromptu. What I am making at this point the video is impromptu, and so for that reason certain points that I remember is in the last moment. Now what I am going to say today, as you have already read, why I use SBI JA as the launch pad. हम लोगों को पता है गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स के बारे में. वी नो अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स. वी नो which medium of language is used in government exams. We know that English is the medium. बहुत सारे लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट आते हैं कि आप हिंदी में वीडियो बनाइए. बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट ऐसे भी आते हैं कि प्लीज़ मेक वीडियो ऑन इंग्लिश. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, I have seen that, and I think that we should actually speak in English and hear the videos in English to improve ourselves for government exams as well as exams which are in private companies. Because in private companies what they really need is your vocabulary power, not the vocabulary power, your communicative English, to be very honest. And if you just give me a pen and paper, I will write that and I will sign on it. It's just that you need to speak in English in a fluent manner, and that is what it needs. I have multiple videos and I will try to make multiple videos on it too. Now, as I have already said that SBI JA, why is it the launch pad? Okay, because I got SBI JA. Is it because of that? Well, I targeted that exam. I had just one target exam, that was it. Now I got it. That is something which you can call lucky, you can call hard work, you can call smart work, but I will say it is a concoction or a fusion of hard work, smart work, lucky, everything mingled. First and foremost thing, I would say, today at this point of COVID, the jobs are getting lesser and lesser. The vacancies are getting lesser and lesser in number. So from my viewpoint, I would say that you should always keep a second choice. You may go for private exams, you may go for MBA. As I always say that those people who are preparing for banking exams, they have got a set syllabus, and your set syllabus is programmed in such a manner that it meets 70 to 80% of your syllabus with MBA exams. 20% you will have to add it. And if we go for CGL, CHSL and those kind of exams which are under SSC, these requires a totally different approach, but it is possible to prepare for that too. But if you get into SBI JA, you will actually find what is there. Time. Is it time? You will say yes, time is there. Now many people will contradict with me, because there are many people who are working in SBI and they are not getting time, and this is something which is situational. In some of the branches, many people can just move out when it's 5, Many people move out when it's 6, some people who move out at 7. And yes, I am talking about SBI JA. After SBI JA, they become SBI customer assistant, and then there are, like, I mean, level 1, level 2. You can see the hierarchy videos too, where I have actually made. So important thing is that I am using this launchpad because one of my friend, he said, I think, I don't know the gender because I don't remember the name at this moment, but that guy used it, that why SBIJ is important and this is important because it uses as a launchpad. एक बार अगर आप घुस गए SBIJ के एग्ज़ाम में, उसके बाद आपके पास जो एक फ्री टाइम रहता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत रखते हैं. Now people who are in IBPS, let's say IBPS clerk, what about them? Let's say you say that, okay, I am a PNB clerk, I am a Canada Bank clerk. Well, maybe someday we may be privatized, maybe we may not exist someday. You may ask me, so should I go for SBI JA and then use it as a launchpad, or should I use my launchpad from that clerical position in PNB or any kind of IBPS clerical position? You can also use it in the same manner. Now, why I am using SBI? Why State Bank of India? Because State Bank, number one, SBI is a brand, definitely. The PNB क्या brand नहीं है? Yes, PNB is a brand. But okay, I don't know. Let's say Nestle. Okay, Nestle and Nestle Munch or Nestle Kit Kat. And if I use another, let's say, okay, Cadbury Perk. Now, definitely, I think most of us will prefer Nestle Kit Kat, isn't it? So brand value has got something in it. I can say that yes, you can actually use IBPS clerk as a launchpad too, but as I say that when you are coming to SBI, that value of the brand increases too along with it. So therefore, this is one of the reason I am using this word SBI. Yes, I am proud to be in SBI as an institution. It's really good. It has pros and cons because each and every job has got pros and cons. If I use the word banking, then banking has got its pros and cons. Retail banking. If I say IB, investment banking, well, over there too it has got pros and cons. And this is life. If we don't have got pros and cons, if we don't have any kind of problem, अगर problem ही नहीं रहा हमारे ज़िंदगी में, then what is life? There is no meaning of life. So we should enjoy both. Now, how can you use this time? JAIIB, CAIIB, very good. These two are the first things which will come if you are really interested about banking and you want to pursue your career in banking. That is something you can get. PO अगर कोई बन जाते हैं तो उसमें टाइम बहुत लगते हैं. The time when you are as a PO, maybe you may not get that much time. Yes, investing some time in a fruitful manner, let's say 2 hours, let's say 3 hours every day, devotion, because an exam is a devotion. When you are going to prepare for government exam, that is a devotion. So you may or may not get it, but you may try. You may get time to try. What happens when you are in a PO? Let's say that PO is coming at such a position, let's say at such a time that person is not getting time. Let's say he or she is getting time, but that person is totally drained out. This happens, and this is truth. You see, these are the truths actually. Yes, someone may actually take a Red Bull, okay, and they may drink it and they can actually, oh yeah, okay, I am ready. See, these are something which are, this can also happen, okay. Like, I am not using the word Red Bull, but they may do some exercise and they are so aggressive towards an exam. Let's say they want to crack UPSC, they want to crack SSC CGL, they want to crack any other kind of exams, NDA or anything. Let's say anything. I am not getting any kind of exams at this moment. So any other exams. SBI is somewhere. SBIJ is somewhere in between. If you want to go up as a SBI person, you can go up. If you want to go up as a CGL person, you can go up. Okay. Any kind of exams you can actually give it over there. And as a career, it's really good. Now you say that you are just saying the pros and pros and pros. Actually, over in this video I am actually using the pros. Yep, I have also said the cons, like the timing, as I have already mentioned, that the timing is something which we don't get. At times I'm saying that people are there who are getting out at different kinds of timings. So that is the point which I have already mentioned to you. Now, apart from my salary, well, सैलरी तो बहुत कम मिल रहा है, देन व्हाट टू डू? वेल, सैलरी बढ़ाने के लिए ही तो JEIIB एंड CAIIB इज देयर. सैलरी बढ़ाने के लिए ही तो देयर इज व्हाट? देयर इज something which is called time, and using the time as the best asset to gain something more, to gain some knowledge. You can do that. You can take some relaxation too, you can have some relaxation too. A very important point I would say, which is something which I have also mentioned in other videos too. If you are really enthusiastic about giving an exam and you are really devoted to it, I would give you one very good point. If you are really working as a JA, SBI JA, let's say आप 8 बजे निकल रहे हैं, let's say you are just getting out at 8 PM, let's take that 9 बजे, let's say you just take 1 hour for just going to shower, okay, just freshening yourself, having some tea, okay, dinner. For dinner you just spend some extra money. For dinner, spend some extra money for your staying. ब्रांच से आपका जो रहने का जो जगह है, दैट शुड बी वेरी, मतलब वो बहुत ही कम होना चाहिए, जितना कम हो सके. अगर आपके ब्रांच के ऊपर ही है देन इट्स रियली गुड, ओके. अगर आप वहाँ पर रह रहे हैं, what happens that you get time, you get plenty of time. And if you are coming out at 6, मैं 8 बजे आपको लेके कहा, if you are getting at 6 or 7 or 6:30, anything, let's say I'm taking the higher point, okay, I'm taking like that, still you will get lots and lots of time. As I am using this YouTube channel to try to make you understand the different facets and different aspects of banking, the pros and cons of banking, the tricks which can be used in many different kinds of exams to crack the exams. प्रेशर कितना होता है हम लोगों को, सब लोगों को पता है, ठीक है, कि इस एग्ज़ाम को क्रैक करने के लिए कितना हम लोगों को कितना मेहनत करना पड़ता है, और जितना दिन जा रहा है हम लोगों को उतना भी मेहनत और भी करना पड़ता है. इवन JEIIB एंड CAIIB टू बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है. इट्स रियली टफ. सो पॉइंट इज, मेहनत करो, वो तो है ही. स्मार्ट वर्क, डू स्मार्ट वर्क. एज आई एम गिविंग यू दिस स्ट्रैटेजीज. The distance between your branch and where you are staying, it should be minimal. Dinner खुद मत बनाओ, you should keep a maid, or if you are married then keep your family with yourself. If you are okay, you don't want to keep your family, you keep someone, okay, like as I said, maid, okay. उसके बाद टाइम मैनेजमेंट, डिवोशन, टोटल डिवोशन, एकदम टोटल डिवोशन. अब YouTube वीडियोज़ भी देखिए, no problem with it, okay. Why SBI as a launch pad? This is it. So actually I am proud to be in SBI, okay, because it was my dream and I really got that job which I dreamt of. So with this I would end the video. If you really want to know more about banking, watch my other videos. If you are new to this channel, if you want more kinds of videos on different kinds of topics, just comment down below, and I would appreciate you if you really have watched this video till the end, because I want always that people should watch the videos in a fruitful manner and get some knowledge out of it. Let's say if you get 1 point, just 1.2, I really feel proud about it, because I am helping one person and trying to give something, some addition to that, some value addition to it. So that's all about my video. This is something which I was trying to prepare for many days, and I thought if I am actually I have missed out anything, you can just comment down below. So stay healthy, that is very important, really. I will add more very into it if I say. and take care of your parents and people who are working at this moment as a private job players. uh, you can watch my video as the private who are working in private sectors. Okay, you can watch that video. I have actually made a video, a dedicated video on that too, because I really know that, because many times you may not be able to leave your leave your job and practice for the exams, but you feel stuck over somewhere. मुझे पैसा भी चाहिए पर मैं छोड़ भी नहीं सकता, और उस तरफ एक क्रेविंग भी है कि अगर मैं जॉब के लिए अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर सकता था. आई टुक a gamble. I really gambled on it, and yes, I got it. As I said, I used the smart work strategy, and I will be trying to think more on this. Small things make a lot of difference. With this, I would end my video. So bye bye.